Hey, I'm Adam with Adam's Welding. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself and about my channel and what I'm going to be posting on it. Stay tuned. I'm going to be posting reviews, how-tos, demonstrations, tips and tricks, and different ways to become a better welder. To tell you a little bit about myself, I've been welding off and on for a few years now. Got a good hang of it and figured I'd share some of the stuff I learned with some others. I'm certified in the SMAW, the GMAW, and the GTAW welding processes, also known as stick, MIG, and TIG. I also have a mobile welding rig. I'll show you that in an upcoming video along with some of the tools and equipment I got started with. I'll show you some of the small projects I've done for friends and family and a couple of customers. I don't have any photos of the larger or industrial jobs I've done because pictures weren't allowed there, but I'll show you the best I can. So stay tuned and watch my upcoming videos to see more. Till next time, this is Adam's Welding.